Hi everyone, this is Misuno. Today I will show you one website. It's called iFixit. This has the all the documentation you need for various tools to repair any product in the world. So you can come to this website and you can search for any product. So I'm going searching for Samsung S22. So let me search for Samsung S22. So I can see Samsung S22 Ultra. So this is the device I searched for. Now you can see it has even the ability to create a guide of your own. Now this has the replacement guides, how to replace the back cover, how to replace the screen and battery assembly. If you click on it, you will get detailed explanation of how this is to be done. If you want to get other information like a complete teardown, you can get that from here. So this is the complete teardown of Samsung Galaxy S22. So this will help you repair your products. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.